guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So I had lost a bet, so I am at Crystal's house tonight, and I am doing a recipe called Spicy Chicken Pot Pie. And as you can see, I'm trying to do a casserole version of a pot pie here, but it's still going to be just as yummy. So I have some chicken, and I cheated and got some fully cooked chicken here instead of making it. But this is fully cooked chicken, and then it's been diced up, and I think it's got a little bit of seasoning in there.
Oh, and she already sprayed the casserole dish.
Oh yes.
And while she was spraying it,
it kind of got in Crystal's nose and made her start sneezing. So you want to be careful with that.
Yes.
So we're gonna spread the chicken out to a nice layer. Yeah, I see that's about a perfect amount of chicken, right?
Oh yeah.
And then we have a can of mixed vegetables here that we're gonna put in.
Mmm. Looks good.
Yeah. And then Crystal wanted lots of peas in this recipe.
I know peas aren't your thing, but
that's okay. So we have a cup of frozen peas here.
Peas are absolutely my thing, and they're my mom's thing.
Yeah.
So.
All right, so we're gonna spread our peas out into a nice layer. All right, and then we are gonna add some seasoning. Got a little bit of salt here, a little bit of pepper, some garlic powder.
Ooh, I love garlic.
Yep. And then here's where the spicy part comes in. Some cayenne pepper. Because we know Crystal and her spicy love.
Mm-hmm.
She loves anything spicy.
Yeah, I do.
So we'll make that nice and spicy for her.
And Rachel loves anything spicy too, and she'll be trying it, so.
Yes, she will. Now we have some cream of chicken soup here.
2 cans of that.
Yep.
Because you can never have too much cream of chicken.
Nope.
Excuse me.
And then our second can. All right. Spread out our soup. And it is looking yummy.
Yum, yum, yum.
Got a nice hearty soup layer to nicely complement our chicken and vegetables. And then, because this is a pot pie, to serve as our kind of pie crust today, we have some Pillsbury crescent roll dough here, and I got the butterflake one.
Okay, now you're talking.
Now we're gonna see if I can open this. I think you're supposed to peel it first.
We might pause it here to... Oh, she got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got
And
it.
we're gonna carefully get out our dough. Could also use biscuit dough.
I like these better.
And of course this wants to be a pan. And we're going to roll it out.
Use all that.
On top of our casserole.
Oh my, this looks so good.
Of course this is going to be annoying, but we'll just do the best we can here.
Well, anything that's gonna be good takes work, doesn't it?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of layer the dough here. It's kind of sticking to itself, but I'm making a mess.
That's a good part of cooking, though.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, so that didn't go as neatly as I had hoped, but just want to kind of cover the top of it in your dough, and then the crescents will cook up nice. Not in actual crescent rolls, but make a nice kind of biscuity pot pie crust kind of layer on the top. Alright, so here it is. We are ready to put it into the oven, which we have preheated at 375. And we'll see when it's done. Alright, so here it is out of the oven. I baked it for about 30 minutes. And I put some aluminum foil on it for the first few minutes. And then took it off because you want it to get nice and golden brown like it is here, but you don't want it too well done on top. And it is looking yummy, and I'm going to cut just a little piece for you to see what it looks like. Alright, there's our piece, so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's looking yummy. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye.